Welcome to our channel. If you want to permanently delete your Grubhub driver account, follow these step-by-step instructions to properly close your delivery account. Step 1. Before deleting your account, ensure that you have cashed out all your earnings. Transfer any remaining balance to your bank account through the Grubhub for Drivers app. Step 2. Resolve any outstanding issues such as incomplete orders, customer disputes, or policy violations. Grubhub may not process account deletion if there are unresolved matters. Step 3. Cancel any upcoming scheduled blocks or deliveries that you have committed to in the Grubhub system. Step 4. Open the Grubhub for Drivers app on your smartphone or visit the Grubhub driver website on your computer. Step 5. Navigate to your account settings by tapping on the menu icon and selecting Account or Settings from the available options. Step 6. Look through the settings, but note that Grubhub does not provide a direct delete account button within the app itself. Step 7. Go to the Help or Support section in the Driver app. Search for account deletion or contact driver support to request account closure. Step 8. Submit a request to Grubhub Driver Care through the app's support chat, email, or by calling driver support. Clearly state that you want to permanently delete your driver account and provide your account details, including name, email, and phone number. Grubhub will review your request and send confirmation once your account has been permanently deleted. This process may take several days to complete. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.